Smoke signals are really cool. Taz, why don't you explain what a smoke signal is?
This is the smoke signal. Where we're sitting, we're at a really cool spot. It's out in nature. It's undiscovered yet. Perhaps we could be the first people that sit here and enjoy this moment.
You take a picture of, let's say, the sunset, which is in front of us. You can't see it at the moment. You write the experience, that gets pinned live on the map, and everybody can see that that's now a smoke signal. And if I want to go, or you want to come here, we go to each other's smoke signals. We will then go and form travel partnerships with all the people that want to become 420 friendly, not that they aren't already, which will then join the DOT network, so to speak, for road tripping, where you can both book your accommodation. Sorry about that, Mary Jane has a mind of her own. I need your help, because this doesn't happen without smoke signals and without you getting out into nature and documenting for history digitally. Jump on Route 420 with us. When the app goes live, download it. It's a web app. Download it. Drop smoke signals as much as you can.
Rolling the Rolling Stoner and creating Route 420.
Thanks, guys. Keep it country, as they say.